Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey. Alright guys, I have no idea what is going on in these YouTube streets, but they are worse than they were last week. So what I'm getting ready to get into it, but I'm not even going to be in here real long, but let's talk about it. So I don't know if you guys have seen the Steffi Locks video that she did, and I think the video was about an hour, okay? Now, from the get-go, I feel like this is just childish. I feel like this is actually Chrissy's fault. And I'm going to tell you why. First, let me say, it was very childish of Chrissy to tell her to fuck her baby. That is something that she clearly should not have done. Because I can tell you right now, if someone said that to her baby, oh, it would be World War fucking 10. Chrissy said that she got upset because she was on Instagram and someone disliked her picture and Steffi went in and, liked the comment. Now, you mean to tell me you then got all pissed because Stephanie liked a comment that was negative towards you? Who gives a fuck? Who cares? So therefore, you started this bullshit. And then when it get all cummed up and, conjuring up, then it's, oh, I'm positive. I am doing this. I am doing that. If you could see what I was doing last month wrong, I could be further along in my business. I could be doing better with my brand. Yeah, you could be doing better with your brand or whatever. But Chrissy, one thing about you, we clearly know that you yourself, you do like some sort of drama. You do. See, the thing about you, Chrissy, is that you feel like you said, that you have a mouth on you. I think a lot of us have a mouth on us. I mean, that's how I feel. So you said that you have a mouth on you, and that's what makes you want to put a bitch in their place. No, Chrissy, I'm going to tell you this right now. I don't think nobody on YouTube you have ever put them in their fucking place. I don't think so. Maybe in your mind, because the thing with you guys is y'all begin to prep yourself up to something that y'all are not. Y'all have these new people that are coming out that are advocating for you. These people, you get what I'm saying, that look like dogs and all that type of shit because of the simple fact that they have the same exact life that you have. They have around the same kids that you have. Y'all already know. I'm gonna kick it to you. I'm gonna just tell you the truth. That's just me, all right? So you have these people that, look up to you like you are fucking God, okay? And no, you're not. But yeah, so my thing is, like you said in your video, and I totally agree with that. Sometimes you have to learn to keep your mouth shut. And oh, is that so true? Because a lot of times I want to come on here and cuss a bitch out. But do I do it? No. Let me tell you why. Because of this, and I've said it before. If I come on here and say something back and forth to you, it's not going to earn me anything. I'm not going to get nowhere. Because you know why? For one, you are a small YouTuber. So therefore, you are going to get up over me. And I'm not going to do that. It is people that I could put in their place right now. From Friday until Monday morning. But, like I said, you got to learn how to pick your fights. You get what I'm saying? You got to learn what is important. Okay, so right then and there, when you went for Steffi Locks, you could have avoided that. So what happened is, you got this girl who you done gave so much certification to because you feel as though you gotta, like you say, cuss a bitch out because you try to say like you got a mouth on you. And I'm gonna be honest with you. You don't have the gift for mouth to, drag a person. I'm going to be honest with you. That's just me. Now, sometimes, you don't have the gift to get up here and drag a bitch. You don't have the gift to get up here and roast a bitch. Maybe that is what you thought because maybe you did that to someone and then someone agreed with you. Oh, you dragged them. You this, you that. Because, I know for one, I don't see too many people on here that can drag me. I don't know. Not at all. Not at all. But again, you said that you know what I mean, you like to drag a bitch. Now, what I am going to say, okay, we already around the fact that you like to drag a bitch. But what I am going to say is, Chrissy, you need to go and sit your ass down and do some of those fucked up hauls that you just got finished doing. The clothes were fucking horrible. I mean, they're horrible. When you do these type of hauls, I mean, I'm going to just tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you the truth. The clothes that you wear look like they were at the 99-cent store. Even the material, the fabric, the way it's made, the shit that it says on the front. It looks horrible. But that's how you get your coin. It is what it is. Go ahead and do it, because if it was me, I would do it as well. But after a certain amount of time, I'm going to be on the phone. Hey, can I go ahead and pick some out, because you guys keep sending me real fucked up shit. So I would pray that they are picking these clothes out for you. But then again, Chrissy, I know that you yourself think that you are a trend setter and you cannot dress at all. Not only that, but if you need like some tips, if you need like some trendsetter things to do, then go ahead and hit me up, because I can help you out with that, you know? The fashion is my thing. The fashion is what your girl does, all right? Whether you like me, whether you don't. Because see, the thing of this is too as well, is that I am not for everybody. No, I'm not. And the people that are for me, I love them totally. They give me so much respect. But the people that don't like me, I don't give a fuck. Do you think that I lay down in bed and don't sleep because it's somebody on YouTube that don't like me and they done made a video up? Fuck no. Do you think that I am not able to pay my bills because therefore somebody on YouTube don't like me? Fuck no. Do you really think that I really care that much about this whole YouTube thing? No. When I cut this camera off, let me tell you what happens. When I cut this camera off, I take this wig off, which you guys think I wear all day on a daily basis, and I don't. But anyway, I take it off. And what I do is I go put on my comfy clothes, and I watch me a movie, watch me a show, sit back and drink me some wine, maybe go to the mall to go pick me up a new outfit. So therefore, when I come on camera, as always, and adorable as I am always pulled together, making you bitches hate me even more. And see, that's the thing that get me with y'all. Y'all can't, it ain't, what you gonna say about Reese? It ain't nothing that you can say about Reese. You really can't. The only thing that y'all actually gonna be, oh my God, she still has the same wig on. Oh this and oh that. Girl, bye. Bye. See you around downtown. Y'all bitches are weird on this whole YouTube shit. See, a lot of y'all think that y'all are fucking celebrities and shit like that. And the thing is, you ain't no fucking celebrity. Your card gets declined like everybody else's card gets declined. And we've already seen that on fucking, on the actual phone, that your shit was, you know, declined. Which was very, very embarrassing, because my thing is that you say you this big, you know what I mean, you say you this big celebrity, you say you are this big YouTube person or whatever, but yet you are staying at 129,000. Okay, it's not going anywhere. For the time that you have been on this here platform, you should have double the amount on both of your channels. But see, that's the thing. Sometimes you gotta shut the fuck up, all right, and do what you need to do. Because when you let a bitch come into your territory and break you down and make your whole aura off, make your whole disposition off, that takes away from you. That takes away from your energy to be able to create the things that you need to do. That takes away from when somebody has sent you money for a sponsor, you forget that they even sent it to you, and then you want to go back and forth with them, and you want them to show you the receipts. But better yet, you say that you are this YouTube boss bitch. Now, I'm going to go ahead on and get off of here because I ain't going to lie. Y'all have been really acting like little kids this weekend. But anyway, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Later.